Car and Van Key Services Mobile Technicians Franchise Opportunity. This franchise plan outlines the proposed system for a mobile car and van key replacement service in the UK with a startup cost of only £10,000. The franchise system will provide a turnkey solution for individuals looking to start a mobile car and van key replacement service in their local area. The franchise system will be designed to offer comprehensive training, marketing, and ongoing support to franchisees to ensure the success of their business. The car and van key replacement market in the UK is a rapidly growing industry, with demand increasing as vehicle technology becomes more advanced. The market is highly fragmented, with many small independent operators offering key replacement services. However, there is a growing demand for a professional and reliable mobile car and van key replacement service that can offer a wider range of services, including key programming, lock repairs, and other related services. The franchise system will provide franchisees with a comprehensive business package that includes: franchisees will receive extensive training and ongoing support to ensure that they have the skills and knowledge to operate a successful mobile car and van key replacement service. The training program will cover key cutting and programming, sales and marketing, customer service, and inventory management. The franchisor will also provide ongoing support to franchisees, including regular updates on the latest technology and industry developments. The franchisor will provide franchisees with marketing and advertising materials, including business cards, brochures, and flyers, to help them promote their business within their defined territory. The franchisor will also provide national marketing and advertising campaigns to increase brand awareness and drive customers to franchisee locations. The franchisor will provide a list of recommended suppliers for the equipment and inventory required to operate a mobile car and van key replacement service. Franchisees will be responsible for purchasing the equipment and inventory from approved suppliers. As the franchisee will be required to provide their own small van, they will also need to equip it with the necessary tools and equipment to perform the services. The franchisor will provide ongoing support to franchisees, including regular visits to franchisee locations to provide support and advice. The franchisor will also provide a dedicated franchisee support team to answer any questions or concerns that franchisees may have. Each franchisee will be given a defined territory in which they can operate their mobile car and van key replacement service. This will prevent competition between franchisees and ensure that each franchisee has a sufficient customer base to operate their business. To become a franchisee, individuals must meet the following requirements. Franchisees must have a minimum net worth of £50,000 and liquid assets of £10,000. Franchisees must have previous business experience, preferably in the automotive or service industries. Franchisees must be based in the UK and have a suitable small van equipped with the necessary tools and equipment to perform the services. Franchisees must be committed to the success of their business and willing to follow the franchise's system and procedures. Franchisees will be required to pay a one-time franchise fee of £10,000. In addition, franchisees will be required to pay ongoing royalties of 15% of gross sales on a monthly basis.